Long time ago, in a quiet town nestled between green hills, stood a school named Hillview Elementary. It was known for one thing more than anything else, its grand annual cricket match. Every year, two school teams, the Blue Hawks and the Red Warriors, battled it out for the championship trophy. The entire town would gather to watch. Teachers, parents, and even the principal would cheer from the sidelines. This year, the stakes were higher than ever. The Blue Hawks had lost last year. They trained for months to take their revenge. The Red Warriors, however, were confident. They had never lost in 3 years. Their captain, Jayan, was famous for his aggressive batting. On the other side, the Blue Hawks captain Farhan was calm, strategic, and determined. Among the Blue Hawks sat a quiet boy named Ali. He was the smallest player in the team and had never played in a real match. He loved cricket more than anything but was always benched. The coach thought he was too nervous. The other boys never passed him the ball during practice. But Ali never gave up. He kept practicing at home, hitting tennis balls with a wooden spoon when no one watched. The big day arrived. The entire school buzzed with excitement. Banners were waving. Music played from loudspeakers. The match began. The Red Warriors batted first and scored a massive 147 runs in 15 overs. Jain hit 3 sixes and 7 fours. The crowd roared. Red Warriors will win again, they shouted. Blue Hawks began their chase. Farhan played brilliantly. He scored 50 runs before being bowled out. Slowly, wickets started falling. The runs were hard to chase. The pressure was high. It all came down to the last over. Blue Hawks needed 20 runs in 6 balls. Only 1 wicket was left. Ali, get ready, the coach suddenly said. Ali looked up, shocked. Me? Yes. It's your turn now. Go. He wore his gloves with trembling hands and walked to the pitch. The crowd went silent. Some kids laughed. Game over, someone whispered. The bowler was the tallest boy from Red Warriors, Fahad the Fast. He smirked. Let's send this quickly, he said. Ball 1, Ali tried to hit. Missed. Crowd groaned. Ball 2, he connected. A single run. Now the strike was with the other batsman, Usman. He hit a 4. Ball 3, Usman was out. Clean ball. The match should have been over. But the umpire raised his hand. No ball, he shouted. The bowler had crossed the line. 1 run added. And another ball. Ali was back on strike. Ball 4, no ball redo, Ali hit. The ball went high. It was a 6. Now, 8 runs were needed from 2 balls. The Red Warriors looked nervous now. Jain shouted fielding positions. Ball 5, Ali hit a 4. The ball went between 2 fielders. Last ball, 4 runs to win. 3 for a tie. Ali stood quietly. He closed his eyes for a second. Whispered something to himself. Fahad ran and bowled with full speed. Ali swung. The ball soared. The crowd stood up. It flew over long off. 6. The Blue Hawks had won. The entire crowd ran to the ground. They lifted Ali on their shoulders. Even the Red Warriors clapped. How did he do it? Someone asked. Ali smiled. Because he never gave up, even when no one believed in him. From that day, Ali was never benched again. He became the heart of the team. And every kid in Hillview knew one thing: Never underestimate the quiet ones.